this. That will go from 2011 and up. This model with the XLE model. The XLE model with the got like automatic door. You see that? Not automatic on the leather sheet inside. Okay, really much. Now today I will show you how to remove the clutch stud for this car. The tool for remove, you can use some of the clip and a little bit with this thing. Okay, on this side you need to get this off. And here need to get the thing up too. You can hang it on the side, but this part on this in it. Okay, you see my point right here. Remove what did the shift gear. We have to put the rack will hold it because we need to move this down a little bit. Okay. It also need to get it up. This one not easy to put one out. Keep this for now. And then this one go out. Okay. Okay, inside here they got the 4 bolt, like 10 millimeter. Okay, they get 4 of them. The last one in there. Four. Okay. They can get up, and they got only one connector. If you want it move out, you can remove this one like this. Okay, here we go. The next part I will show you how to put back in. This one we're gonna slide out on this side for the connector get into easy. Okay. This one for the hardware. Now we got the fade. Put it back in for the fade. This one. Slide in. Don't forget the connector for the emergency button, and then hazard button. Okay. Click it. This one is good going back. And this one too, don't forget it. Now we can remove this and put back in. But with the little clip like this, put in packing. Continue. Go this one. Okay, the last part is this. All right. Okay. Thank for your watching. But see you for next video. I will do the different thing for you see it how the way we work. Thank you. Don't forget like and share this video.